In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split your Windows screen. That's right, so you can use more than one app at the same time, okay? I'll show you quickly here. So this is great if you want to boost your productivity like watching a video while writing a text. Windows has what we call snap layouts, which is a very popular visual feature. So how do you do it? You're going to open, for example, a page, a browser, could be Google Chrome. I'll open it here. There you go, browser is open. What do you do now to split the screen? You go to the maximize button, but don't click it, okay? Just hover your mouse over it, all right? Here, folks, snap layouts will appear, okay? So what are you basically going to do? You're going to choose one of these layouts. Here, for example, it will split the screen in two, as you can see, and here it splits into four. Anyway, you can choose, for example, if I want to split it in two, I'll click here. So notice that it's already adjusted here. I have the browser open and I also have Google Docs open, okay? Here you can simply watch a YouTube video while you type your text. Basically, you can watch a course and type at the same time. And here you can make a page bigger or smaller. For example, if I want to highlight this page, I can just put the mouse here in the middle, drag it to the side, and make the page I want bigger. And to exit split screen, you just go back and click the maximize button. Click it. You'll exit split screen, okay? So here I'm going to minimize again because here I can choose more layouts, all right? So again, I'm going to put the mouse here on the maximize button, choose this 3-screen option, and it automatically placed all the open apps here. So it put YouTube, it put Google Docs, okay? And here I can, as I told you, make them bigger or smaller, all right? What I want to use, as you can see, you just need to hold and drag. So it's simple for you to split the screen in Windows 11, all right? I hope I helped. If I did, don't forget, help me out too. Subscribe to the channel.